Have you ever wondered about the mysteries that Mother Nature holds? The unexplainable weather events that leave us in awe? Well, prepare to be intrigued as we delve into the top 10 most puzzling phenomena. From bizarre rainfalls to inexplicable lights in the sky, we're counting down from the 10th to the first most baffling event. Each more mysterious than the last, challenging our understanding of the world we live in. Let's dive into the world of the unknown, starting with number 10 on our list. In 2001, the Indian state of Kerala experienced an unusual weather phenomenon. For several weeks, the monsoon rains took a terrifying turn. Instead of the expected clear or muddy drops, the skies wept blood. Well, at least that's what it looked like. The raindrops were stained a ghastly red, a sight that understandably left the locals in a state of unease and bewilderment. Theories abounded, ranging from the biblical to the extraterrestrial. Some whispered of divine retribution, others speculated about alien life forms. The science, however, pointed towards a more earthly, albeit equally strange cause: airborne spores. Scientists proposed that the red rain could have been caused by spores from a locally growing alga, Trentipolia. These spores, carried aloft by the wind, could have colored the raindrops red. But the debate raged on. Not every scientist agreed with the spore theory, and alternative explanations continue to be explored. Despite the theories, the blood rain of Kerala remains a mystery, making it number 10 on our list. Moving to Norway, we encounter the mystical Hessdalen lights. In the remote, unspoiled Hessdalen Valley, a truly mesmerizing weather phenomenon unfolds. Ethereal, luminous balls of light dance across the sky, their origin and nature shrouded in mystery. These lights, varying in color from white and yellow to red, have been observed for decades, sparking intrigue and speculation. For some, it's a paranormal spectacle, while others are convinced there's a scientific explanation waiting to be discovered. This has led to extensive research projects like Project Hessdalen, launched in the early 80s. Scientists from around the globe have gathered data, attempting to unravel the enigma of the Hessdalen lights. Hypotheses range from ionized dust and gas to extraterrestrial activity, yet despite all the research, a definitive answer remains elusive. These lights continue to illuminate the Norwegian sky, captivating onlookers and baffling scientists. Unexplained and fascinating, the Hessdalen lights take our number 9 spot. Next, we travel to the United States for our 8th unexplainable event, the Great Blue Norther. This remarkable weather phenomenon occurred on November 11, 1911. That day began with a balmy and unusually warm morning, only to be followed by a sudden, drastic drop in temperature. In a matter of minutes, the weather shifted from a comfortable 76 degrees Fahrenheit to a bone-chilling 13 degrees. This swift and severe weather change wasn't the only surprise. Along with the plummeting temperatures, the skies turned from clear blue to dark and stormy, bringing with it rain, sleet, and snow. The Great Blue Norther remains a meteorological enigma, leaving scientists baffled as to how such an abrupt change in weather could occur. Despite advancements in weather forecasting technology, the exact cause of the Great Blue Norther still eludes us. Could it be a unique combination of atmospheric conditions or perhaps something more? A sudden weather shift that remains a mystery. The Great Blue Norther is our number 8. At number 7, we find ourselves in Australia, looking at the morning glory clouds. Imagine, if you can, a massive roll cloud stretching out as far as the eye can see, creating a breathtaking sight that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. This is the essence of the morning glory clouds. These remarkable formations, often spanning over 600 miles, make their appearance in the early morning hours, stunning onlookers with their sheer size and consistency. The truly perplexing part is their predictability. Unlike other weather phenomena, the morning glory clouds can be forecasted, yet the science behind their formation remains a mystery. Various theories have been proposed, from unique atmospheric conditions to specific ocean currents, but no definitive explanation has been reached. These clouds are not just a sight to behold, but they also provide a thrilling ride for glider pilots who dare to surf these atmospheric waves. Unique and unexplained, the morning glory clouds are number 7 on our list. Moving on to number 6, we encounter the rare and mysterious ball lightning. This is no ordinary lightning bolt. Imagine a glowing sphere of electricity floating in the air, defying the laws of nature as we know them. Ball lightning is a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for centuries, and its unpredictable nature makes it even more intriguing. It's been known to pass through glass without breaking it and disappear without a trace. Some theories suggest it's a form of plasma, while others lean towards it being a result of electromagnetic radiation. However, the truth remains elusive. What we do know is that sightings of ball lightning are rare, adding to its mystique. It's often associated with thunderstorms, but it doesn't always follow the same path as regular lightning. It's this unpredictability and rarity that secure ball lightning's place in our top 10. Rare and mystifying, ball lightning takes the 6th spot on our list. At number 5, we find ourselves in Venezuela witnessing the Catatumbo lightning. With a name as charged as the phenomenon itself, the Catatumbo lightning is a meteorological marvel that lights up the night sky over the mouth of the Catatumbo River in Venezuela. This lightning storm occurs with such regularity, up to 160 nights a year, that it's often referred to as the Lighthouse of Maracaibo. But what makes it truly unexplainable? This lightning doesn't come with the usual accompaniment of thunder. It's a silent, almost ghostly display of nature's power. Scientists have been scratching their heads for centuries trying to explain this. Theories range from methane gas emitted by the swampy area to a unique alignment of the topography and wind patterns. Yet despite all the guesswork, the cause of the Catatumbo lightning remains largely a mystery, making it one of the most captivating and unexplainable weather phenomena on our planet. The Catatumbo lightning, a unique spectacle of nature, is our number 5. We return to the United States for our 4th unexplainable event, the Taos hum. This enigmatic phenomenon, first reported in the early 90s, is a low-frequency humming noise heard in and around the small town of Taos, New Mexico. It's a sound that not everyone can hear, but for those who can, it's a constant, unceasing hum, like a distant diesel engine idling. Scientists and researchers have been scratching their heads over this for decades, with theories ranging from secret government projects to tectonic activity. However, despite extensive research, the source of the hum remains elusive. Some locals have even reported physical symptoms from the incessant hum, like insomnia and dizziness. The Taos hum, therefore, isn't just a bizarre weather event, but a mystery that affects people's lives. It's a reminder that our world is full of unexplainable phenomena that challenge our understanding of reality. Unheard by many but a mystery to all, the Taos hum is number 4 on our list. At number 3, we travel to Thailand for the mysterious Naga fireballs. This unexplainable spectacle occurs annually along the Mekong River, where locals witness countless glowing orbs ascending from the water and into the night sky. These orbs, known as the Naga fireballs, have puzzled observers for years. Their origin remains shrouded in mystery. Some attribute this phenomenon to the mythical Naga, a serpent believed by locals to live in the river and breathe fireballs during the Buddhist Lent period. Meanwhile, scientists propose a more terrestrial explanation. They suggest the fireballs are flammable phosphine gas pockets released from the riverbed, which ignite upon meeting the oxygen in the air. Whichever theory you lean towards, one thing is certain. The sight of these glowing orbs floating skyward in the dark night is nothing short of mesmerizing. A spectacle that leaves us in awe. The Naga fireballs are number 3 on our list. At number 2, we find ourselves in the United States again, this time looking at the sailing stones. The sailing stones, also known as moving rocks, are a geological phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for decades. These rocks, some weighing up to 700 pounds, move across the dry lake bed of Racetrack Playa in Death Valley National Park, leaving behind long engraved trails. Their movement, however, is not witnessed in real time. It's like they're playing a grand, slow game of chess with nature, shifting positions under the cover of darkness or when no one is watching. Scientists have been trying to crack this mystery, with theories ranging from strong winds and ice sheets to more complex explanations involving bacterial mats and magnetic fields. Despite extensive research, there's still no definitive explanation for this enigmatic occurrence. It seems that the sailing stones prefer to keep their secrets, adding a touch of mystery to an already intriguing world of natural phenomena. Moving on their own, the sailing stones are our number 2. And finally at number 1, we have the infamous Bermuda Triangle. Nestled between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this vast expanse of sea, roughly 1.5 million square miles in size, has been the stage for some of the most baffling disappearances known to mankind. It's been estimated that more than 50 ships and 20 airplanes have vanished without a trace, often in perfect weather with no distress calls. The Bermuda Triangle isn't just notorious for its disappearances. It's also known for its bizarre weather patterns. Ships have reported encountering heavy fog and sudden storms that come and go without warning. Pilots have reported their compasses spinning wildly and their instruments failing as if some unseen force is at play. Various theories have been proposed to explain these strange occurrences. Some suggest magnetic anomalies that interfere with navigation equipment. Others point to underwater methane gas eruptions that could potentially sink ships. And yes, there are those who believe extraterrestrial activity is involved. Despite extensive investigations and scientific research, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle remains largely unsolved. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a subject of fascination, speculation, and fear. It's a reminder that even in our modern world, there are still places that defy explanation, that challenge our understanding, and that quite literally keep us guessing. Unexplained and feared, the Bermuda Triangle takes the top spot on our list of unexplainable weather events.